welcome to Phace Installations YouTube channel. We've got this VW T6.1 in. We have upgraded to give it a reverse camera on the back and integrate it into the factory screen. Plus the customer also wanted a bit more added punch on their audio system. So there's the reverse camera there, you can see. Very stylish wedge reverse camera integrated into the factory display. But we've also added an Alpine dedicated under-seat sub. Now this is designed for T6.1 and it's the subwoofer that goes under the driver's or passenger seat. Plus it's amplified, so it'll amplify all the vehicle speakers. You can just see it there. So this is before we put the seat back. So you can see dedicated Alpine sub. And what that does is that'll drive the subwoofer for awesome bass, but it does amplify the door speakers as well. Obviously the door speakers are standard VW speakers, so although it will be improved, it won't be fantastic unless you'd upgraded them to Alpine ones, awesome aftermarket. So if we put this vehicle into reverse, there you go, you can see there's the reverse camera now all through factory screen. Very clear, and you still got your optical parking sensors there, you can see. And if we play some music, you're not going to get the full benefit of this as it is filmed on an iPhone. Fish, little fish. You can adjust the bass and the gain on the actual head unit. So you've got the bass control there, that will control the subwoofer that we put under the seat. As you can hear, it's very loud and very good quality. Maybe we should turn it down before it annoys some neighbours. If you like your music and you like a lot of bass, this is definitely an upgrade for any T6 and T6.1 owners. Give us a call if you want to book your vehicle in, 01626 242 555. Visit our website, phaceinstallations.co.uk. Thanks very much. Have a great day.